Yeah, you know, see a girl just a tell me about a little bad man, hungry belly boy, we talk about my jewelry fee. I'm there in one of my house then. And I say, oh, well, when people hungry, you know, it's a blood clot thing, you know, it's a hell of a thing when you're hungry and that's stuff, you know. If you're not strong, you know, you're just bad man and corrupt down. Yeah, man, I 85,000 for my jewelry then, man. I'm even not talk about the Rolex and the ring I'm buy when me in a prison. Yeah, me there? Yeah, dog. I'm even not talk about the vehicle them I'm own and the houses and the land. And a matter of fact, me I touch the road night, just flash with $4 million. You know it go? Yeah, cause I say make a bad man waste boy like you know. We like to know. Say man rich and happy, you see it? Yeah man, make a hungry belly boy like you know, dog. See what I say? Yeah, well, big up guys there, shut out.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you had a wonderful day today, but there's a few interesting topics I see trending in dancehall that we need to discuss. Not in any particular order, so it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with dancehall king Vybz Kartel because it seems like Shorty has responded to his interview with Keisha of the Keno. You feel what I mean? In that interview, he disclosed that, you know, he is traumatized because, you know, she gave him bun. You see me, I said, well, he was behind prison's wall. So let's take a quick reminder what he said on the show, and then we'll get to what Shorty has to say about the situation.
Yeah, she came to visit me after we met 2015. She came in 2019. That's the first time I saw her.
4 years.
Yeah. She wanted to come before that, but I was like,
no.
yeah, like,
No, see them, me have to give it up to you because you're different.
Yeah, man, she persistent.
You're different.
Persistent.
Woman like that, you have to keep them.
I love her next to God.
No,
man.
you have to keep them.
I love her next to God.
And my situation wasn't like that, but she remind me of me because when my husband got prison, everybody was like, in my face 10, 20, you stay with him. I'm say, yes, me I stay with him.
Which brings me to the next thing. That's why I told you about the bun and cheese earlier.
You get what you about?
But Jesus.
So well, and baby, I will get the bun and Shorty.
Every time.
Keisha, can you behave yourself? All right, I'm back. I'm back. Zip it up.
I tell you. But let's just say that every time I see bun,
you're afraid.
I'm traumatized.
You're traumatized.
PTSD.
But guess what?
Yeah.
See them not give no bun. If that woman left Europe and come to Jamaica, she not give no bun.
No, sir.
You see that diamond, yeah?
Yes.
She need one of them.
That bad.
Yes, put in the comment section where you think about that, because it seems like Shorty couldn't wait to escape from Vybz Kartel's grabs. You see, my people, and it looked like she's responding to this interview when she put this thing up in our story.
Sometimes it's okay to be the villain in the made-up story that these people got going on in their mind. Because I'm telling you right now, I'm okay. I'm okay that in your story, I'm the villain. Because you the clown in mine.
Yes, put in the comment section where you think about that, because I think Shorty born in a drone, so that makes her a Gemini. Now, in the beginning of the video, you see Cartel, I talk about, you know, hungry belly is not an excuse for bad mind. You see what I say, and him soon talk about him land and horses and all of these things to make him more upset with him. You feel what I mean? Because I guess they're saying that his jewelry is fake, but him say that's far from the truth. You see it, and him never robbing money from poor people. He worked hard for it. You see what I said? Someone enough mature shots at the politician boy them. But anyway, let's proceed to the next.
I don't think you can ever find the right person to have kids with, because people change after you give birth.
Yeah.
I know from experience, like my child's father and I, we were really close, like twins. Until we had a kid, it went opposite. And so
yes, my people, and this is why Shenseea, your baby daddy, said bucket without hole at bottom have no business a riverside. You see what I say? And basically, I say Shenseea is, you know what, put in the comment section. Now it's obvious Shenseea is looking at hype off of her baby daddy situation, just like how Spice be doing. You feel what I mean? But you know, I think he has moved on. I think he is married now. Shenseea baby father may speak about. You see what I say? I don't know the terms of their child. you know, support family business or whatever, but she definitely looking the hype off of him, you know what I mean? And you don't know the thing said, I don't know if he signed the NDA, but if him say, if you remember this, him say, if him did talk, Shenseea career over. You see what I say? So I'm just giving a little scoop while I go on for that to go on. Let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, time for the bagger mix up with Ivany and Keno. Cause boy, oh boy, oh boy, the man, this wickedly, you know, me not lie to you, my peeps, you know what I mean? I don't know where to start and big up, you know, Destiny, Ivany's biggest ups. You feel what I mean? You know, Destiny's was gifting them left, right, and center yesterday. So people are saying, you know, Ivany, ex-man, like man, and all of these things. But he's confirming that he's single, you know what I mean, and he doesn't want to have no kids with people like Ivany because, you know, they're mad and all of this stuff. You see me, I say, all the styling go on yesterday. You see me, my peeps? Yeah, man. And them deal with Team Sensation away, you feel me? So let's hear what I go on from that to go on and then we proceed.
Destiny's the one that's gifting. Shout out Destiny. Nah, I'm single, y'all. What y'all talking about? Play some love songs. Play some love songs.
If you see your state, you can register online to vote right now.
You know what I'm saying?
It only takes 2 minutes. Make your voice count. Register online now at iwillregister.org.
Y'all, I'm single right now. Y'all. If I'm locked in though, if I'm dating somebody though, I'd be loyal though. If I was dating somebody though, I'd be loyal, y'all. I'd definitely be loyal if I was single, y'all. I mean, if I was taken. Y'all, I'm a youngin' though, y'all. I'm a youngin'. I see a lot of girls. That's somebody said single yet. Yeah, youngin', hey, we youngin' turn. Y'all, I just turned 21. Vybz Kartel. We have put on my trace. Hey y'all, whoever here, y'all drop a like and make sure y'all follow the page, y'all. Stay in tune, y'all. We got a whole bunch of content coming soon. I'm a Gemini. Yeah. Welcome to the team. Whoever sent that. Shelly, thank you. Yeah, I'm a Gemini. Before they would have been this. Hey, shout out to y'all for sending them black cards. Oh, May 26th? Okay. Dang. What day is their birthday? On the 20th. Yeah, Gemini's are the best. Hey, y'all. Is it any... Do I have kids? Nah. I don't have no kids. I want kids, though. But I want to make sure, hey, y'all, like, I don't want to just bring a kid in this world, y'all, because, bro, a lot of these women are crazy, y'all. You can't just have a baby with anybody. I mean, I want to be in my child's life, too, though. So, you know, when you have a baby, a lot of people change when you have a baby. You feel me? Like, you can think somebody one way, and as soon as that baby come in the picture, but they start... I'm not knocking it. Men are crazy, too. This go both ways. It's not just for men and women. You feel me? This is not just for men and women. Like, a baby can get born and a man will disappear, too. Somebody said, I'm very sassy. But you watching me? Yeah, a lot of men change, too. Very sassy. Facts, I'm saying. That's cool, y'all. Y'all keep calling me sassy. I mean, is that person hurt my feelings, y'all? Feel me? I'm pretty sure I pull your mama. I smash your mama. Facts. Thank you so much. Hey, somebody say stop looking your damn look. Y'all funny as hell. Hey, I want to ask the people, but y'all ain't talking about nothing, y'all. Like, y'all is not talking about nothing. Y'all is not talking about nothing, y'all. Y'all got to get over here and talk if I'm going to ask y'all. Y'all got to get up. You feel me? Appreciate that, guys, saying thank you so much for the roses. Play a match. Am I a player? I mean, I'm 21. I already answered that. Like, that's my last time saying I'm 21 years old. But I wouldn't say like maybe in high school, y'all. Like a couple years ago, I was definitely a player. Like I would say, I talked to multiple girls. Like I definitely talked to a lot of girls though. You know what I'm saying? I love my women. Virgo, but I'm loyal when I can be. You feel me? When it's high match energy. Yes, I'm 21. Hey, y'all go. Hey, take one Keno on all platforms, y'all. Take one Keno on all platforms. Somebody said I'm a kid. Somebody said I'm a kid. I think it's about the mindset, y'all. Cause wait, hey, age really don't matter, y'all. Y'all know that, right? Like, y'all, I'm 21. But it just depends. Like you could be 27 years old and still act like a kid, y'all. And still act like a kid, you feel me? That's why that shit really don't matter. That's my brother, so I gotta stay loaded. Who is this? We almost hit 275K, y'all. Shout out all my tappers. Talk Jamaican. I don't even know how to talk Jamaican, y'all. I guess that's the price. Oh my goodness, at night, bitch, bro. I've been losing that sight, huh? Man, let's. Who's still sending the guests, y'all? Appreciate that, Nani. Let me see who this is. Yeah, we'll take it. What kind of advice is it though? Like,
being that you and Vybz just broke up and stuff like that, I feel like you should just, just take it easy for a little bit. Like, don't.
Thank you for the advice. Thank you for the advice, though. Bruh. Oh my God. You should go check it out for real.
It's totally enough.
How old you is?
A girl named Nelly. She nothing. Eh?
Yeah, how old you is?
Say what?
How old are you?
How old do I look?
You look like you about like 25.
Oh, yeah? I'm 25.
Yeah, you 25. What you do?
I'm a teeth whitening specialist.
You're a teeth whitening specialist?
Yeah.
Oh, for real? Okay. Shit, tell us about yourself. You feel me? Like, what else you got going on? You got any kids?
So I do brows. I do brows and lashes, and I do teeth as well.
Teeth?
Yeah.
Hey, can you do me a favor? Can you put the camera down? Can you stand up? How tall you is?
I'm 5. I'm about 5'2".
5'2"?
Mm-hmm.
Can we see, like, are you petite? Like, are you feel me? Can we just see your frame? Like, can you stand up? Is that disrespectful? Disrespectful?
That's just weird, though, for me.
That's weird for you? Okay.
Yeah.
For sure. No disrespect. Hey, but I'm coming to Jamaica, though. You feel me?
Where are you coming?
So I'm gonna be coming probably next month. You feel me?
Where in Jamaica will you be staying?
I can't. You feel me? It's too many people on here. I can't. We can text though. You know what I'm saying?
Jamaica is really good though.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. If you're like the party type, you'd love Jamaica.
Hey, I'm gonna hit you up though. Young. I'll forward you though.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, she would chill though. Who is this? Hold on. Who is this? Somebody said pop the balloon. Hey, she would chill. She would lay back, y'all. She would lay back. She was cool. Hey, Domo. Yo. Man, how you gonna, bro? Do not join and not say nothing. She looked good too. I ain't gonna cap. She definitely did look good. Where my hype females at though, y'all? Bro, buddy tryna own him. Bro, I'm finna block buddy, bro. Man, keep seeing me. Yo. Hey, twin, can you leave, bro?
What you saying?
Hold on, bro. Hold on. Fuck, bro. Fuck wrong, buddy. Hey, y'all. Hey, shout out to everybody that's in here, y'all. I hope everybody having a good night. I hope everybody good. Hey, what a fine shit at though? What a fine shit at though? Yeah. What a fine shit at? Let's get to it, huh? Let's run us some money. Hey, let's get to 260K, y'all. We almost there. Oh, appreciate that cap. Hey, guys ain't going crazy tonight, y'all. Spell no black hearts too. Okay, you watching somebody that's not attractive. You gotta look. I never said I was y'all self-proclaiming. Y'all self-proclaiming y'all own things though, y'all. When did I ever say I was the most cutest or handsome? Look, person, the truth, I don't even deserve it. Purpose say pitting his own and screaming out, man. I get hard. I gotta stay on my server. Hey, y'all, let's get to 25K likes. Appreciate that, y'all. Man, I wanna spit some game, y'all. Where the ladies at, y'all? Where the ladies at? Let me see if I can invite somebody. Do I know who this is? Hold on. Whoa, what the fuck did I just do? What did I just do? Bro, why y'all keep saying add this? I don't even know who that is. I don't even know who that is. Oh, this nigga's the one that is gifting. Oh, yeah, all the black hearts. Hold on, who said add him? Add him? What y'all mean? What do y'all mean? Him? What y'all mean? Please don't scare me, y'all. Oh my God, y'all trying to? No. I can't do it. I'm sorry, y'all.
Guys only want one thing.
Wish I had something natural instead of this.
Man, nah. Hey, y'all trying to set me up. I seen y'all say add him. Don't try to set me up, y'all. Please don't try to set me up, y'all. I sure love everybody though. I love everybody though. Don't get it twisted though. I love everybody. Appreciate that. I love everybody though. I don't judge, y'all. Remember that. I just don't swing that, you feel me, that way. Let's talk and add people. Man, I'm trying to, man, I see y'all request and I want to add y'all, but let me see if it's some pretty girls, y'all. Some pretty girls, y'all, you feel me? I like light skin. Where the light skins at too? Y'all go ahead and add. Where the pretty girls at that want a youngin'? Go ahead, request you pretty, you want a youngin'. I don't know how to tell. Okay, look, let's see here. I don't know how to tell, like, if y'all pretty. Oh, that.
No,
hey, Shane.
tell me how why me I forget pick. No, I joke me did I make me. I come on for this. I was really joking.
I just go ahead and lead in.
Jesus Christ. I don't know if I come off.
Oh my, hold on, we got some. Who this right here? Oh, it's gonna be all Jamaicans too. Let me see who this is. Who wanna come on here and talk? Yo. Let me see. Yo. Hey, yeah, y'all gotta speak English if y'all gonna join it. And we almost at 200. We almost at 240K. Man, you can't be requesting and not saying, bruh. Yeah, see, I'm gonna just find somebody on my own, y'all. Y'all requesting and just not saying. I see y'all requesting. We got 34 requests and nobody saying nothing. Who wanna talk to the boy? Who wanna talk to the youngin? Hold on, Shorty look bad in that picture. She look bad in this picture, y'all. I'm not a colorist. What are you talking about?
Hello.
What's good, Sean? What's good, Sean? Hey, can we see you?
King doll.
Sheen dog, can we see you?
I'm in the dark, but stop letting them draw you out about this.
Oh no, we chilling.
Okay.
We chilling. She said she in the dark. That's crazy. Hey, I'm trying to spit game tonight, bro. Ain't no females, man. I'm gonna have to invite. I'm just gonna have to invite American.
Yes, put in the comment section what you think about that. Now, you know, we're gonna upload everything today. So make sure to subscribe to me everywhere, you feel me? And hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we do drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.